taking our two groups and putting them together. Remember? We had our very important word, join. Sean, remember? We were talking about last week we had our two different groups, like if I have one finger on this hand and I have 3 fingers on this hand, and then we were using that important math word. We were saying join. Join your fingers together. When we join our groups, what were we doing? We were putting together. What's our other math word? Yes, together. So when we join our groups, we put them together. Here we have our little picture on this side. How many cubes do we have? 3. And if I join them with this side, how many on this side? 2 on this side. So we could use our fingers to do that at our desk. So I have 3 on this side. And I have 2 on the other side. I want you to join your group. So I should be seeing everybody putting their fingers together. Right, Isaac? So we join them and then we can find out how many we have in all. Right? In all means how many we have all together. Okay, last week we used that math word, join, many times. When we were talking about joining, Moises, ready? We use the word and. So when we were practicing joining our groups, we added the word, or one of our sight words. Remember the sight word? What's our sight word? And. So show me 2. And 1. Show me 1 on your other finger. So last week we started using our sight word and to make a math sentence where we have our numbers, 2 groups, and say 2 and 1 and joining them together to see what it makes. Well, we used that sight word. What's that sight word? And we knew that was we were joining our groups. We're going to take away that word. Are you ready? We're going to take away the word. We're not going to use our sight word and anymore. Now, instead of using the word and, we're going to have this symbol. Good. It says plus sign. I want everyone to read it with me. Plus sign. So we don't have the word and anymore. We don't have that anymore. Now, for big kids in kindergarten, we are going to use, let's read this again, plus sign. So now I'm going to use this plus sign where we used to put the word and. So let's try that. Okay. Let's try that out. Show me 1 finger. And show me 2 fingers on your other hand. Now, we have it in our number sentence. I have 1. Now I'm taking away the word and I'm going to say plus 2. Moises, and Ethan, are you ready? We're going to read this whole addition sentence. Okay. 1. Everyone read it with me. 1 plus 2. So we are using, what's this called again? Plus. And it's the same as if we were using the word and. We're still going to be putting our groups, what? Together. So I'm taking away my sight word because we're big kids in kindergarten. And we're just going to use the symbol, the plus sign. So when I have 1 plus 2, I know that means put the numbers together. Okay, we are going to practice that right now with our blocks. So get your blocks ready. Get your blocks ready. Okay. So Miss Elizondo is going to write. Let me get it. Okay, ready? This is your first number of your blocks that you're going to get. I want you to get 4 blocks. So you are going to show me 4. Yes. So when you have 4, oh, I like how Landon is holding up 4 blocks. So my first group is what number? Ooh, what is that new symbol we learned? Plus. How many, Isaac, how many blocks for our other group? 2. So I should see your 2 groups for 4 plus 2. Let me see it. Okay, if I have 4 plus 2, what should I do to these 2 groups?
Put them together.
Good, put them together. How do we know we're supposed to put them together? Because the plus sign. And the plus sign was just like last week when we used our word and. We said our first number and our next number put together. Okay.